What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Bubba Bubbaphant from the Smiling Critters. For today's lesson, I'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker. I have some plain white paper and some markers to color with. If you want more details on our art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. Let's begin our drawing in the center page with a curve for the top edge of the trunk. We'll start on the left side. Let's bend this up and then bring that down on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to curve the trunk coming in, out toward the left, and then back down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to bend the bottom of the trunk going up towards the right. Let's go across, up, and then we'll bend that down. And then going back to the right side, we're going to follow that same curve, going around and just tucking that in on the top. And then on the end of the trunk, let's add a circle. Now with the trunk in place, we're going to move back up to the top and draw the eyes in towards the side. Let's start on the left side. We draw an oval. It's going to angle this up and in. Come around toward the bottom. Just pull that in towards the side. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height. Come around the bottom. And then in. Let's draw a smaller oval pushed towards the inside of the eyes. So we'll start back on the left. Going up, around, and then in. And do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes and trunk in place, we're going to layer the mouth in behind. Let's start from the left side. We're going to curve this out underneath the eye and then up towards the side. Line this up over on the right and do the same thing, going around the eye. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. We're going to step in, going out and then down. And then we'll draw on the bottom of the mouth. Starting back on the left, in behind that bracket, curve this down, come in toward the side of the trunk. Let's continue on the right side, going out and then up. Now I want to place the tongue on the bottom left side. So we start from the side, we're going to go up, bring that down to create a fold, go back up, just tuck that in toward the side of the trunk. Now we want to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the top corner of the mouth, we're going to step up, curve around the cheek, and follow the curve of the mouth coming down toward the bottom. Go all the way across and up on the right side, and then we'll bend this in around the cheek. Let's draw the top half of the head. From the top of the cheek, we're going to go up around the eye, and I want to bend that down, curve this up above the right eye, and then bend that down on top of the cheek. Let's layer the eyebrows on top. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, go across the head, and back down. Now we're going to stick the ears along the side. Let's start on the left. Start by going up, round up the ear, come down the side, and then in. Let's go to the right. We're going to go up, come all the way around, and then bend that in. Let's bend the ear coming down towards the earlobe and then up towards the side of the head. Now I want to trace the ears along the inside. Starting from the top, go all the way around, come in, down, and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start with the light bulb in the center. Starting underneath the chin, let's start with a circle, going all the way around. Let's angle the light bulb, so on the bottom right, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down. Close off the bottom with a curve. Add 1 more curve in the middle. Let's add that detail inside. We go up, come down in the middle, swirl this around, go up, and back down towards the bottom. Let's move out underneath the head and draw the side of the body. We're going to start with the left, we go out, and then that in towards the hip, go to the right, going out, and then in. From the top of the body, let's draw 2 straight angled lines coming in towards the light bulb. Now in between the hips, we're going to step down, add a curve, and down and up. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, angles down, then it down toward the bottom of the feet. Let's round up the bottom of the feet. Down and up towards the outside. And I'll bend the leg going up and just taper that back up underneath the hip. We want to have a little bit of an overlap on the side. Let's separate the bottom of the legs with a curve. Now we're going to place the left arm on the hip. Let's start from the top of the body. We're going to step out, curve it down and out, round up the arm, and then bend that back in towards the hip. Halfway down the side of the body, let's add a fold across the top of the forearm, and move in and add a seam. Let's go to the top of the body on the right, step out, bend the arm going out, and then up. Let's round up the arm going out, and then down towards the side. And I want to taper the arm so it gets narrower as we come in towards the elbow, and then up towards the side of the body. Let's add an oval along the end of the hand, going all the way around. Let's step down and add a seam. Now I want to bring the tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the hip, goes down around the arm, and then up. Then we'll add the end of the tail, going up and out, come down and in, going up and then out, and pull that down towards the bottom. Let's add another point, going up, come all the way around towards the bottom. Now it's going to trace the tail coming back in along the bottom. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Bubba Bubbaphant from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on our art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.